Hey everybody, Mark Edward Lewis here with Cinema Sound. Today we're going to do a little unboxing of the Saramonic Cam Mic, which you may not have seen. This isn't actually in stores quite yet as of the end of November of 2018. But let's unbox this and see what comes with it, see what it's like. So on the front of the box is just, they've kind of redesigned all their artwork, which is cool. We still don't have on the back a polar pattern or frequency diagram yet, but I'm sure I've told them about it, so hopefully it'll come. Let's open this up. And I've taken the tape off already of this. So it's a cool box. They've redone all their packaging, which is super cool. So this is actually a nice little case to keep your mic in. Down here is the registration card, which is cool. Is there anything else stuck in here? No. And then here is the microphone itself. Hold it up here so you can see. Like this. I should probably hold it on this side. That's even better. So this is the Cam mic, and it's really cool. I mean, it's obviously it's a cold shoe mount here, and on one side you have a line output, looks like. And then on the back, it's going to be hard for you to see, but there's a switch for high pass filter and for not high pass filter. And let's see, this is, I just like how it looks. It doesn't really look like anything else. It's super cool. And then you can actually pull this thing off. Here, let's see, this whole case, looks like it comes off, including with this whole spongy bit here. And then you can see it's kind of a supercardioid situation. Not much to it, really. It's battery powered, my understanding is. So let's see here. So like I said, there's the output. Pretty simple. Now to put this back on, you have to actually thread this back. This little, this kind of the windscreen has to go back in here. And what's really great about Saramonic windscreens, which you don't really have with other microphones, is for most indoor and I should say all indoor applications and most outdoor applications with mild wind, this kind of double-coated windscreen is more than enough to protect the mic from kind of casual wind or air conditioning blowing or anything like that, which is, unheard of. Usually the windscreen that comes with a microphone is kind of useless. And also this whole new shock mount design that they've got here is super cool. I mean, it doesn't look like our friends at Rycote at all. But it definitely protects it from the average kind of bump, and also affixes it, which is really nice. And then I like how they've kind of taken after Apple, and they've got kind of the cables. And this is one of the really cool things about Saramonic that you don't get from other microphone manufacturers. They actually include the cables. So this is a TRS kind of 90-degree bend pigtail, which will go right into your camera. And this, you get one that's got two right angle TRSs and one that has a 1. So maybe if you're using it with a phone or anything like that. So that's what comes. Oh, and then of course these things. And these little silica gel things are really cool because they help with moisture, especially if you're storing your microphone. So, it's a good idea to leave that in here. It helps kind of absorb moisture if you're storing your microphone for a long period of time. But that's basically what you get in the box. Let's open this up here. See anything underneath? Just the registration card. That's super cool. So that is, it's here. That is the Cam mic from Saramonic. Hopefully it'll be in store soon, and we're going to be doing a review about what it sounds like here on Cinema Sound. Until then, we'll see you on set.